Assalamu alaikum. Have you ever wondered how significant decisions are made, how agreements are signed, and what they mean for the parties involved? Let's delve into one such fascinating event. In the realms of governance and administration, a crucial Memorandum of Understanding, or MOU, has been signed. This significant agreement is between the Punjab Board of Revenue Coordination Council, the Government of Punjab, and the All Pakistan Numberdar Association. The MOU establishes a cooperative framework to facilitate the implementation of policies of the Government of Punjab. How did this come about, you may ask? It was a result of extensive negotiations and mutual consultations between Ziaullah Khan Niazi, chairman of the Punjab Board of Revenue Coordination Council, and Raja Azmat Ali Kiani, chairman of the All Pakistan Numberdar Association. This agreement is not merely a piece of paper, it marks a commitment to collaboration. It signifies a pledge to provide facilities in the implementation of the Government of Punjab's policies. And this isn't a one-sided affair. All members of the All Pakistan Numberdar Association will act as a bridge between the Government of Punjab and the Numberdars of Pakistan, helping to resolve their issues. The MOU, therefore, is a significant step towards efficient governance and administration. It's a testament to the power of cooperation and mutual understanding in driving progress and resolving issues. In summary, this video has discussed the signing of the MOU by the Punjab Board of Revenue Coordination Council, the Government of Punjab, and the All Pakistan Numberdar Association. It has also highlighted the meaning and significance of this MOU. As a result, this agreement paves the way for increased cooperation and efficient implementation of policies, ultimately benefiting the Numberdars of Pakistan. So, next time you hear about an MOU being signed, remember, it's more than just an agreement on paper. It's a commitment to collaboration, a vow to resolve issues, and a step towards progress.